Okay, well I'm going to show you my latest project. My second biggest engine after the Lister D. Here it is. Picked this up yesterday. If you're not sure what it is yet, it's a Briggs and Stratton model ZZ. I think they were made between 1931 and 1949, I think it was. The numbers behind there, behind that bit of the cover. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Been turning it over, it's got a starting handle. So push it in to engage it. Spin it over like that. But it doesn't have any spark. He said that in the auction, so but I just thought I'd test with that spark tester just to see, but it doesn't. So I'm gonna start taking it to bits now, I suppose. Get the shroud off, see what's under there.